if you want to make money in crypto, make sure you check this video out, because this could actually allow you to earn $100, $200 a day by watching YouTube videos. It's pretty crazy. It's this new watch to earn concept, but just check this video out. I'll give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how it works, exactly what it is, and everything you need to know. So to dive on in, the platform that I'm talking about is called XCAD. And now you might have heard this name before because they were pretty trendy a couple years ago when they launched their fan token initiative, which was backed by some of the major behemoths. And the idea there basically was that if you were a fan of one of these major creators, you could basically get involved with their token. Kind of like how they've been doing that with the soccer fan clubs. Now, people were a little bit annoyed though that there wasn't a high yield product involved. And so XCAD went to work and they came up with a new, very juicy idea. Most likely after looking at Axie Infinity with their play to earn and STEPN with their move to earn, well, they got themselves watch to earn, and as I said, it's pretty freaking cool. And like I said, the idea is pretty simple. You just watch videos, and there's a couple different parts to it, like for example, how exactly long you watch the video for and exactly what NFT you've got. But all that will become clear a little bit later throughout the video. But as a result of all that, you earn. And how it all works is, first of all, download the app, right? The app is over on their website. You're going to need an access code to get proper access to everything. I'll leave that in the description. But if you check it out, you can download it for Chrome, which is what I've done, or for the Play Store. iOS is coming, but as you guys know, crypto and Apple, yeah, the connection is not that good just quite yet. On the bottom right here, you can actually get a little bit of a glimpse as to how the rewards work. But once you've got the app, just open it up, and here's a little bit of what it might look like as you open it up. And again, I want you guys to realize the reason I partnered up with XCAD for this video is because I think this is such an amazing initiative. Because the creator gets rewarded because you guys watch the videos longer, and the user gets rewarded because they earn money for watching videos. Anyway, so once you're in the app, head over to this little play section right here. You're going to need an access code that I'll leave down below. And to actually start earning, there's a couple different steps, as you're going to be needing a play NFT. And right here, it just explains to you all the different steps. Pick a box, which includes a nerd, which is the NFT's name, and earn money from it by watching videos. As we head over into the box section, again, these will have different sort of nerds in there. Nerds being the characters to make you earn rewards. And you've got the rare, you've got the basic, and you've got the common, plus a mystery box, which either gives you a common or a rare if you're a little bit more on the risky side. So once more, a basic is just basic enough, but the higher up you go, similar to STEPN, similar to any other to earn concept, the higher rank NFT you got, the more you'll also earn. So just prepare that you get the box, so to speak. And after a little transaction, just takes a little bit, just buying this specific NFT here. You might have to click it twice. I'm not sure exactly why that is. Sometimes you have to do it. Again, I'm going to be buying this rare nerd NFT. I want it to be a nice one just because I care about NFTs sometimes. When I'm buying these types, I care. Anyway, once I press open now, you can see generating your nerd. We are minting your rare nerd. So I can close this and we just wait a little bit. Oh, and by the way, I don't mean you buy it twice. It just means you might have to click continue at something like that. Don't press the buy button twice, guys. Anyway, so here's what my NFT looks like. You can see it's a rare one. It's got some pretty cool hair, got some nice sunglasses, nice purple, and you can see his stats as of this point. This will all factor into your earning potential, obviously. Now, as you've got with all these other to earn concepts as well, you can upgrade and do a lot of cool things to your nerd, because every single time you watch a video, 80% or more, based on a couple small other factors, again, this is going to decide exactly how much you get rewarded from it. The most important one actually being reputation, by the way, which officially decides your earning. And so a little bit of what you see when you're watching a video is a little pop-up that you're watching, and usually this little dotted line actually also forms, as you can see right there. And you also notice that your logo has changed over in the top right. And still today we can watch 5 videos, and I'll give you guys a little update as these videos are watched. And then we can also see our earnings right here in play after we again have watched some of these videos. So once more, it says here, right now we have 5 pending views. Right now we're watching this video. And once more, I will quickly say our category for NFT is music. So right here below, I also went to music as a specialty. That way you maximize the earning for your specific NFT. It's just something nice that you might want to know. Anyway, to continue on, I just watched 2 videos here yesterday and earned about, let's see here, $18 for just watching 2 videos. And you can see today I could watch another 5, meaning it's about, let's call it $40, $45 a day. And right now, if I went full grind mode, I could earn another $45, meaning $90 in just 2 days. Not too shabby. And the whole process here is pretty simple. If you're over in the play section, it's extremely simple to claim your rewards. Obviously, just press the claim rewards button. You see, I've got 234 play. I press request. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. Now they're in your claim, I guess, section over here. And if you really want to claim them, it's an on-chain transaction to actually get your token. So you've got them fully. And then there's also one thing you might have noticed, which is this little repair section, which obviously is with all these to earn concepts that, so you can't basically go on forever without interacting to some degree. You have to every now and then also, quote unquote, repair your NFT, which you can pretty easily do by just going to the NFT, more details, and there's a repair section right there. Now I'll explain again. There's quite a lot of cool things that most likely will be coming to this app. And the whole process, I'll just explain it once more, is get yourself a nerd, which again can be done through the play section after you've entered the code, of which the link is down below, or the code is going to be down below. Then once you've got yourself a nerd, there's a couple different price categories, which will obviously also decide the amount of yield you are going to get. Take a good look at that point then at exactly what niche your nerd is in. Mine is in the music category here. And so to maximize my yield, am looking through the specialities here and go towards music. And then it's basically almost any artist here, by the way. It's not as if there's only a couple different ones to choose from, but I choose one from this list to go ahead and watch. Like yesterday, I was listening to some Kanye West, potentially even some Taylor Swift. Who knows, right? Go crazy. Or if you're an avid Drake fan, again, this way, you're literally getting paid to just listen to some of the songs you are already going to listen to. So it's pretty convenient if you ask me. So one thing you might ask, and I'm always a fan of openness and transparency, is, so if it's so amazing, why aren't my watches going down here? Why haven't I watched all 5 of them instantly? And honestly, the only trouble for me here is that I set it up on a computer that I don't use for watching videos. That's my only problem here. So I'm definitely going to have to set it up again, but this is just a computer for recording stuff on. So that is the only little trouble for me. But the idea is very simple. And again, like I said, all it takes is just open up a YouTube video. It's that simple. It's going to showcase in your dashboard that it's playing a video, and it's as simple as that. Again, there are probably a lot of cool things coming up for this platform in the near future as well. Like I said, also iOS app will most likely be coming, but it's pretty hard to get your crypto apps on the store. We all know it. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you check it out. I'll leave a code, as I said, down below. Check it out, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video soon.